Welcome to a bath bomb experiment with me, Colette Garland. I'm a mentor with WRDC. You can check out more about me on their mentor tab on their website. So my name is Colette Garland. I'm from Cupid's area around Bay Roberts, and I've been a teacher for almost 10 years now, and I teach science, and right now I teach technology to adults at Eastern Academy. But I still love all things science, and doing science experiments are so much fun. So I made ice cream with you guys in a past video, and now I'm gonna make some bath bombs. So I've already tried this experiment, but my video didn't work, even though I'm a technology teacher. I had some video complications. So I already made the unicorn. I'm gonna lay that one to the side, but I'm going to explain to you guys how I did this. So in the package that you get, because you're going to get the same one I got, our little bath bomb package with everything that comes inside. It's already pre-measured, so we don't have to measure anything. The only thing you're going to need to get is a big bowl, some gloves, a pair of scissors are handy to have because you need to cut open these little pre-measured packages, a whisk, a bowl with a spoon, teaspoon, and some coconut oil. Okay, so those are what you're gonna, those are the things that you're gonna need, and we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so I've already made my unicorn. So now I think I'm gonna make a donut. It would be really cool if I had some appropriate glitter or sprinkles, but for now I'm just gonna use different colors. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my spoon and I am going to put the oil on the inside of our mold so that the bath bomb doesn't stick to it. Alright, so it only needs a little teeny tiny bit of oil. And once you get it rubbed all around, kind of like you do to the frying pan before you fry up some pancakes. Alright, once you get it all rubbed around, take the excess and just wipe it off. Alright, so I've got that done. So I'm good to put my bath bomb mixture in here. So to mix the bath bomb, what you do is you take each one of these pre-measured packages, cut them open, pour them into your bowl so that you're going to have 60 grams of citric acid. And while you're doing all this, make sure to wear your gloves. And you're going to have 30 grams of potassium chloride and 90 grams of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so those are the three that you're going to have. And then once you get all three of those into your bowl, you're going to take your whisk. Actually, you're going to put your gloves on before any of this. But mine are a little sticky. All right. Okay, you're going to take your whisk and you're going to whisk all of that together. And then once you get it all whisked together, you are going to take 1 teaspoon of water. So I have a little bowl here of water and 1 teaspoon. So I just took a little teeny tiny bit, not 1 full teaspoon because it says to add it slowly. So a little bit at a time, and you add it slowly because it's gonna fizz if not. And then once you have that teeny tiny bit of water added in, you knead it. So you just do this. And you keep doing this for about 2 minutes until it looks like it's all turned into like damp sand. And I'm going to add a little bit of pink coloring to mine. So just about 1, 2, 3, 4 little drops. And because there's a bit of water in that, it does fizz up a little teeny tiny bit. Okay. So for my unicorn, I also had blue. So now I've got pink and blue. And I'm gonna make a donut. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna scrunch it together, and I'm gonna make sure that it sticks like this. So that's a good consistency. That's like damp clay. You're gonna want that. All right, now I'm gonna take my mold, and I'm just gonna smoosh it down. And I'm gonna fill up my mold with any of the mixture that I have left here. Okay, and I tap off the extra, and now I have my donut. So I'll lay that down here, and I'm gonna make sure that I put that in a place where I'm not gonna touch it or where it's gonna get damp for the next 24 hours. And at the end of that 24 hours, we're gonna check back and see how our bath bomb went. So just make sure you're using gloves that you don't wanna use again, because it looks like the dye dyed my gloves. All right, so that was a great fun experiment. Thank you for joining me. We'll check back in 24 hours and see how we did.